9 home remedies for bee stings. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the chat. And in today's video, we're going to talk about a common problem. I'm going to show you 9 home remedies for bee stings. So if you're ready, let's go. If you or someone close to you has been stung by a bee, it may seem like a good idea to flip onto Google and look up the best treatment for bee stings. While there are many different approaches, there's a good chance that something you have in your kitchen is the answer. Unless you're allergic to bees or experiencing an allergic reaction, you can treat most bee stings at home with these 9 home remedies. Number 1, honey. Honey helps with wound healing, pain, and itching. To treat a bee sting with honey, apply a small amount to the affected area. Then cover with a loose bandage and leave on for up to about an hour. Number 2, mud. For those times when you're completely unprepared, mud will work just fine to help with the initial pain that comes with a bee sting. For this remedy, you will need some dirt or mud if it's nearby and some water. Then all you need to do is think back when you were a child and making mud pies. Simply add some water to some dirt and make a nice apical mud. Cover the sting completely with the mud for a few hours or until the mud starts to dry. Just make sure to rinse clean and pat dry after trying this method. Number 3, baking soda. A paste made of baking soda and water can help neutralize bee venom to reduce pain, itching, and swelling. For this one, just mix a little water with the baking soda and then apply a thick layer of baking soda paste to the affected bee sting area. After applying the paste, simply cover it with a bandage. Leave on for at least 15 minutes and reapply as needed. Number 4, apple cider vinegar, ACV. Some people believe vinegar helps neutralize bee venom. For this remedy, simply soak the area where you got stung by the bee in a basin of diluted apple cider vinegar for at least 15 minutes. Make sure you dilute the apple cider vinegar first with a little bit of water. You can also soak a bandage or a cloth in the vinegar and then apply it to the area where you got stung by the bee. Number 5, meat tenderizer. An enzyme in meat tenderizer called papain is also believed to help break down the protein that causes the pain and itching from a bee sting. To treat a bee sting this way, make a solution 1 part meat tenderizer and 4 parts water. For this remedy, you're simply making a paste from the meat tenderizer powder. Then, after making the paste, apply it to the bee sting for at least up to 30 minutes. Then, after 30 minutes, make sure you wash it off. Number 6, wet aspirin tablet. A popular home remedy for reducing pain and swelling of a bee sting is to apply a wet aspirin or aspirin paste to the sting area. Results of one 2001 study showed that applying aspirin topically to bee stings or wasp stings actually decreased redness and did help decrease the duration of the swelling or pain compared to using ice alone. Number 7, Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera is a plant-based gel that naturally soothes and moisturizes skin. According to a 2013 study, aloe vera extract has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties in it. Spreading a little gel onto the bee sting can reduce swelling and help prevent the site from becoming infected. Aloe vera gel is available to buy in many drugstores and online. Number 8, Calamine Lotion. People often use Calamine Lotion to relieve itchy skin, and it may also help reduce pain and itching caused by a bee sting or a wasp sting. It's also, just a note, it's also good for chickenpox. If the bee sting area becomes itchy, try rubbing a little bit of Calamine Lotion on it. It is available to purchase in most stores, drugstores, and even grocery stores or online. Number 9, ice. Immediately after a bee sting, wash the area thoroughly and remove any remaining bee venom or stingers. Then apply ice to reduce the pain and swelling. You can also wrap an ice pack or a bag of ice or frozen vegetables in a cloth and place it on the bee sting area. Hold the pack or the bag of ice on the bee sting area for several minutes and repeat as needed. And simply what this does is it numbs the area where the pain is. Okay, well that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 9 home remedies for bee stings. Also, don't forget to click the link in the description and the pinned comment and head over to our blog and pick up your A to Z guide of over 100 plus home remedies that I know you will enjoy. So if you liked today's video, also please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot and it does help us keep the lights on here at Remedies Insider. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you'll be notified when we upload a video. I am uploading videos weekly. Thanks for watching again. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Take care, God bless, and good luck.